So I just want to do a quick recap on the driveway solar lights. So here they are all installed. I do want to say, with installing these, I do not recommend using the screws that come with the driveway lights. For the most part, they are bright. Sun's coming up. What I did use was some Gorilla Glue, cement glue. It's pretty simple, and they're on there pretty good. The screws that came with it are not concrete certified. They will fail, so those didn't work. So if you want to buy some concrete screws, you can. But for the most part here, the lights, they've been on right now for about 10 hours, and they're still going pretty strong. So that's the lights. So overall, I will probably give these lights a 7 out of 10, and that's because of the screws. If you plan on putting these in your driveway with the screws, it's not recommended. But overall, they are bright, and it's a good guide if you want to have them outdoors. And it's right now it's a little bit, I think it's like 28 degrees Fahrenheit, so they're holding up pretty good. So that's pretty much it. So that's the review on the lights.